Got some new gear, a battery bank. It's got 36,000 milliamp hour battery and a solar panel bundle. It outputs 10 watts of solar power. The battery bank comes with a 1.6 watt solar panel. Anytime this little green light is on, it is charging the internal battery. One of the main reasons I bought this is because it has built-in cables that are nested into the frame. It also has a wireless pad. First thing I'm going to do is charge my phone with the built-in USB-C cable. This outputs 15 watts. Out of the box, the battery bank is at 3 blue bars. My phone is at 24%. Took 1 hour and 20 minutes. Phone is fully charged. Battery pack is at 2 blue bars. If I block the solar panel, the green charging light goes out. Pretty awesome that it'll charge on its own with the built-in solar panel. Got a lightning cable for iPhones. USB-C cable. Got a micro USB cable. And this is an input USB cable to recharge the internal battery. Here's the power button. Press it and the internal lights come on. And if you long press the button, it will turn on these 2 LED flashlights. The lights output 1 watt. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds and the lights turn off. Battery pack comes with a USB-C cable and a carabiner clip. On the side, there's a hanging ring that unfolds. You can attach the carabiner clip and hang it. And it's got a little rubber flap. You've got more ports. This is USB output, USB-C input and output, and this is a lightning input port. And here is the 10 watt solar panel. Has a USB and USB-C outputs. I like this little pocket where I can insert my phone. And the solar panel can be used to charge your phone on its own. I like that I can store it in its pocket as it's charging. Just put the solar panel in the sun. The phone does show that it is charging. Let's use it to charge the battery bank. Got it in the sun, connected to the battery bank. I've got the battery bank also in the sun to intensify the recharging. The internal lights are flashing, showing its progress. It is currently 10 o'clock in the morning. It's been about 4 hours. I've been moving it to track the sun. The little light is on the 4th bar. It's still flashing. That means it's getting close. And it's about 10 minutes later. And the lights have stopped flashing. That means it's fully charged. Now I'm going to plug it into a tablet. Got 4 bars on the battery pack. 53% on the tablet. So it took 1 hour and 45 minutes to recharge. It's at 100%. Battery pack is still at 4 bars. Solar panel comes with a USB to USB-C cable and 2 of the carabiner clips. I highly recommend this battery pack. It's one of those things where it's a perfect example of design ingenuity with the internal built-in cables. I'll have a link below of the exact item I purchased. This came as a bundle, the solar panel and the battery pack.